The word that makes children sound like geniuses. There's one word that instantly makes any child sound incredibly intelligent. It's not complicated, it's not too long, it's brilliant. Instead of smart or good, say brilliant. Here are some examples. That's a brilliant idea. You're brilliant. That was brilliant work. Here's the psychology behind this. It makes the child in question feel brilliant, and so they act brilliant. It's the power of words. Give it a go right now. Tell your child they are brilliant. And if you found this video useful, like it, save it, and follow me for more.